In this video, I'm going to show you how to select multiple files in Google Drive. So I'm going to show you a couple of ways so that you can select the one you like best. So first of all, go to your browser and then log in. Use this link. Yeah, the one that says share files and online. So after that, click on my drive. After I click on my drive, locate where you want to select the files. Zoom in here, double click and enter. After you double click and enter, so what you're going to do is just click on your keyboard, click on shift, then select how many files you want to select. As you can see, shift, then scroll to the where you want to. You first of all click on the first file, then you hold shift on your keyboard, then scroll to where you want to mark it to, then click on shift. It will automatically mark all. If you want to mark it one by one from different, then you can click on control. As you can see, so control for random multiple file selection, and shift for if you want to select in a row lot of, or if you want to select all at the same, you can just press Ctrl A and then it will select all the files, and that is it. That way you can simply just, if you want to move them, you can simply just click on three dots at the top right corner, click on organize, move, select the folder you want to, you can select the folder that you want to move all the files to, and that's it. Then click on move. Hope this was helpful. Please kindly like and subscribe to the channel if you find it helpful. Thank you for watching.